Does having multiple abortion create a right to marriage? Because tell me why a babe we ejine date nwoke. He made first abortion, made second abortion, made third abortion. The guy na enye impression no da anukwa go. He can eme na aga. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, one girl na one guy na abale. The girl kwechilu na this guy ni iwuliti. Iwuliti bu no ga anolelia because no begolia 7 abortion. No ga anolelia. Anyway, Palava kai everyday kai na for Palava. But achoro mi kwu ogonogo okwu ka ijili anya na abo fugodi kwanta na aba mmad na aba na enwegodi because at this point amazikwa ka esi on na egodi video.
I'm done.
You're done. Wait, you're done. How? You're done after 8 years. After 8 years.
It's like you don't know me.
See, this relationship is do or die. After 8 years.
You die. It's not. I'm done.
See, is it that you said to me? It's a lie. Is it that you married me or you said to me?
You will leave my house today.
Is it that you married or you said to me?
You don't know me. I will deal with that. Nobody will come.
There is nothing you can do.
Nobody will cough.
Okay, nobody will cough.
Yes.
Because you think you have money.
Nobody. Don't worry.
Because you think you have money. I'm not scared of you. You cannot waste 8 years of my life for nothing. You cannot waste 8 years of my life for nothing. You cannot waste 8 years of my life. You cannot waste 8 years of my life. See, is it that you said to me?
It's not me said to you.
You said to me.
No, I'm your father.
I swear to God, you said to me.
Am I your father?
But if it's not said to me,
you're a very stupid person.
I am not stupid. You're the one who is stupid.
I'll beat you.
Is it your first time? Is it your first time you beating me? 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 You have been doing it.
Don't video me.
I'm not videoing you.
I'll break this.
I'm not. You break my phone. Now you buy phone for me.
Don't video me.
Now you buy phone. Hey God. Now you buy phone for me. I will not see you said to me. You cannot waste 8 years of my life with 7 abortion. And you want to dump me like that. I am not going anywhere. Is it that you said to hey God. So don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me.
I'll deal with you.
You cannot do more than you get. Don't touch me.
I'll deal with you.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me.
Live here.
Is it you said to me?
You're a very nonsense person.
I'm a nonsense person now. I'm a nonsense person now, Abi. I'm a nonsense person now, Abi. 8 years, you cannot waste 8 years of my life for nothing. 8 years, you 7 abortion. God will punish you. God will punish you.
Are you the first person? Are you the first person?
God will punish you. God will punish you. God will punish you. See, I will not go anywhere. Do your worst.
You're trying me.
Kill me.
You don't know what I can do.
Do your worst.
You don't know me.
Do your worst.
You don't know me.
Do your worst. You cannot waste 8 years of my life for nothing. Go punish. Everything I have done for you, God will punish you.
God will punish you.
God will punish you. God will punish you. Now you they get strength. They your follow man beat you. Now you they get strength. Now they follow man beat. Now you they get strength. You go beat me as if it's your first time. You been beating me. Even 1 month into the relationship, you beat me.
You're a very bad person. That's why.
I'm a very bad person.
You have a very bad character.
Okay, now I have a very bad character. 1 year passed, 2 years, 3 years, 8 years. It's not that I have a very bad character.
I'm managing you. I'm
You're managing me. Me, I'm managing you too. 2 minutes man like you.
You say anything?
2 minutes. 2 minutes man like you.
2 minutes man.
Yes. Don't touch me, oh.
More than 2 minutes. You're calling me.
Don't touch me, oh. Hey, don't touch me. God will punish you. Everything you've done to me today, God will punish you. Don't worry.
It's me you're calling 2 minutes man.
Yes.
And I've been here for 8 years.
Yes.
So you have been here for 8 years.
2 minutes man like you. Sugar boy.
You will not say the truth. Tell the world. Tell them.
This relationship is do or die.
Tell them how I satisfy you. Tell them how I do.
Don't touch me, oh.
Tell them.
Don't touch me. If you touch me, what I will do to you, you will not believe it. If you touch me, what I will do to you, you will not believe it.
No, let me leave this house for you. Since you don't want by the time I come back.
See, is it that you will say to me?
Guy, you know what? 8 years. They want to see 8 years. And don't be equal 8 years. The thing is, wutie. But as a babe, you get as you the date person. You need to babe now what for you? First of all, now what for you will be babe. How a sharp babe like you go to date man? You go to get guy man. I can't before on top for first year, second year, third year. It's all your way. And when you're not in a relationship, there's a way you be in a relationship with a guy man. What first year, second year, third year? The guy, nothing. You find your way. And when it's on yours, if you don't see any guy again, you must die with the guy. And at this point in this girl's life, she's frustrated. That's why. Because you feel say this guy get money, because you feel say the guy hold money, and you date here, you say we die here. We buy where? Why you want? How? Because you feel that the guy will settle you. Now, first of all, this girl, me went on a relationship. She's there because she feels the guy is having. From this thing, she said the guy is a 2-minute guy, and you know the guy man is a 2-minute man. You date here. You actually not do say you see, you know jail. 8 years is not a criteria. 7 abortion is not a criteria that the guy must marry you, because okay, they know, the men, they know this guy from as if, and he get money and he never marry you. And most times when men never marry, that's because they don't have enough funds to sponsor the wedding, to fend for the wedding, to fend for the traditional, all those things. You know, this video for you is self-incriminating, because it's say you follow this guy illegally. You already admitted in the video you already had 7 abortions with this guy, thinking that he's going to tie the knot with you. You don't try, and you are in a question that the guy must say to you as Paunya Balo boy, as Paunya Balo mother boy. Get one on at the relationship for 8 years, did not know that you need to opt out. You get as person go do something. Even boy, how many years did they do boy? No, be 7 years. They say they don't reduce the boy things to either 4 years or something. And you did there for 8 years thinking, quechiri because say the guy who money. You know why? Because my gender don't think critically. We think with sentiments, and sentiments, it's not working. You need to come to terms with reality. The reality is glaring on the face, and most times and this guy on your own is supposed to tell the guy as a guy man. Let me in fact can put you as a guy man. If you are dating somebody, first year guy, second year guy, now 1 year and what come intention in go in case of one in about bull no be na man, unless me love for them a water. And guy man home money, you see they there. Every day we see palaver. How we want to settle this matter? This guy they say he swear, he do all these things. Say this guy I must deal with you, must marry. How he go for some? Will you drag him to the altar? As a babe, you need to wise up. As a girl, you need to wise up. As a guy man, you need to wise up. May they not force you into marriage, because if they force you into marriage because of threatening, because of years along, say you don't do this one for you, I don't do this one for you. Okay, haki ana for because say maybe 2 minutes guy man, and you know go one time say may your men they here say you a 2 minutes man. However you feel about this video, leave your comments on the comment section. And your girl Bella, palaver, you need to finish.